My mommy, if you're watching this vlog, sorry.
Hello.
It's your fault. It's your fault. It's your fault. You left your wallet. Surprise, 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 surprise. Oh my God, look at the sky. Oh my God. Hi guys, it's me, Brother Bernie, Bitokbitok of Bitokbitok University. Welcome back to my channel. Rusty's at the back.
Hi.
So, si Mommy right now is nagpa-last session sa iyang lip tattoo to make it more red and sexy. So nasa karon diya sa taas. So ako sa kwaon ang kong duha ka anak, si Raver and si Ella nga napa sa ubos. Pero nagka problema ko ani kay mura grabe ka dagom. Right na namin diri sa Jerbora. Very traffic.
Where's our mommy? Where's mommy?
Boss.
Daddy.
What's this? Oh, sorry.
Daddy!
10 over 10. When I grow up, I want to be
A dancer.
a dancer.
Yeah.
I want you to be a doctor.
I'm trying to write a doctor, but I don't want. I really want to be a doctor.
There's a doctor, oh. Then you turn into the dancer.
Daddy, look! I'm learning math again. I really like math.
Let's have a drive-thru in Jollibee.
Yay!
But there's a challenge.
The front of us will choose.
Yeah. Whatever, because mommy left her money.
No, Daddy.
Then let's make it times 2.
Let's do vlog.
This is a challenge, man. We'll go there. Tapos we will ask what's the.
I'll hold the camera.
No, wait lang. So
I saw Ryan's toy review.
like that.
Yeah.
Like challenge
Yeah.
times 2.
Times 2.
You will eat whatever it is.
Yeah, Jollibee, McDo. Yeah. And then Chowking. Kamatis. Are you vlogging already, Daddy?
Yes, I am.
How about the camera? Because
No, wait, Sam.
I saw Ryan's toy review.
Daddy, are we gonna go back to school? Because I think I left my...
No, it's so traffic. Look at that.
Hala. Daddy.
So we'll go back.
Daddy.
Nah, patay ka, River.
Ryan's mommy, but yeah, just hold the camera
just remember.
in here.
Daddy, I just
I need to hold the camera,
my
man,
classmate was
Daddy.
borrowing my phone.
Or you go down there, then
Daddy,
you
I'll-
run there, then I will go there. Turn around as I go. You go to the school there. Go.
By yourself, Kuya.
I'll go fast as I can.
Yeah.
Don't
Then
be.
I see you there on the other side.
What other side?
There.
Like very up?
There. Yeah.
All the way in
Or I'll
the.
try to come back if there's...
No.
All the way in the school.
Oh yeah, try to come back if there's one pa.
Daddy, you go there and then go there. All the way.
What is River doing?
Go getting his phone. You know, Baya, my classmate Sophia, Baya. What? Whoa! Why is it on? It doesn't turn off.
Yeah, it's.
Is it broken? My God! Wait! Oh, Daddy! Wait! There's people. Okay, there we go. There we go. You know, but yeah, Daddy, my class. classmate Sophia. He really wants to be a mom. She really wants to be a mom. She really wants to be a mom.
Where's
mommy.
Where's the Kuya River now?
Someone, oy!
Kuya River, come on.
Oh, teacher name! Teacher name! Teachers!
Where's River? There. Perfect. You're just on time. Thank you. Where will we
Go first?
Jollibee first.
Jollibee first.
no, where? Veles? Jollibee Veles?
No, let's get mommy first or else you'll get pissed.
No, mommy is busy.
BC? What's a BC? Someone
BC.
now, oy!
Busy. Beautifying herself.
Hello.
Alright, so the kids are here without mommy. Then mommy left her wallet.
Yeah. No.
So
Wait, Daddy.
we will have our drive-thru there in
Wait, Daddy.
Jollibee first.
I want to tell you
And
something.
also Macdo.
Since you said you have to save your money, how is this learning about saving your money?
No, this is just a challenge. This is just a
Daddy,
challenge.
Daddy, we didn't eat lunch or dinner.
Did we?
Lunch? Lunch mo?
We didn't.
I eat lunch. Right?
But the problem now, it will be a surprise. We will not know man if what they order in front of us or ahead of us.
Now I'm viral.
So that's the challenge.
Yeah,
you know
I
from the
saw.
title.
So if you don't like it, we will eat it. That's a challenge.
I saw.
All right, here we go. We're here in
Oh my God, I'm scared.
Oh my God. Oh, that's one hell of a car.
I don't want to eat.
So nalami sa Jollibee Veles.
So what happened? What happened, man? If
If it's coffee, Daddy.
so, what happened that if there's nobody in front of us before? What would we do?
Huh?
What happened if there's nobody here? Then we're just coming in, or we'll just ask that guy. We're gonna ask that guy for the food.
Oh my God.
Let them pick our food.
I'm so scared, guys.
But if he ordered more than 1,000 or more than 500, no. Let's cancel. Let's cancel this challenge. Mommy might kill us. What if you ordered for 12 person?
Or like just like your birthday.
Yeah.
Party to party.
Oh yeah, exactly.
The
My
lights
God,
is
here we
flickering.
go.
I'm scared.
At naman.
Brother, nakoy challenge brother. Pila yung amount ato yung gi-order ato?
Yang amount?
Mga pila man? Around
Mga
300.
300.
Kung sa order niya, order na ako. Larga. Challenge ni kay surprise na ko niya dito kung saan. Basta kay kung sa order niya, 300 pila man to?
Yeah, mo may order.
Oh, kung sa yung order exactly. Di maka 1,000 ka pina? Challenge. 300. So what do you think is the order 300 for a 300?
Chicken, a fry,
Obviously.
chicken, maybe.
Probably a spaghetti, a hot dog, or a burger.
Let's see, it's a surprise. Huh?
172.
172 only.
Jesus Christ.
Alright, you want it times 2?
No.
What's it? Times 2? Huh? Times 2? Only 175 naman.
Okay.
Pwede times 2 na lang. Kung siyang order.
Times 2?
Oh. Tanan. Larga. No, well, 172, that's still around less than 500.
Yeah.
So mommy is not pissed. If we order 1,000, then mommy will.
Jesus Christ.
We will go to McDo.
Yes. But
Oh, what about if there's nobody there? It's just us ordering. Then we'll ask the guy there. Doing the order.
if it's already done order na ang customer.
They could add French fries.
Salamat, brother. Thank you.
They could add French fries.
So the surprise here is, what did we order?
I'm so scared.
I believe all of that is coffee.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, perfect 4! Yes! Yay! 4! Ano saan na siya ko?
Regular iced tea, sir.
Yes! You're 4! Yeah!
Give me one. Give me one. 2 large fries.
Tula!
Sure.
Yes! 2 large rice! 2 large rice!
Mine.
Yan, share ta.
So far, we love what we ordered.
So good.
Yes. And the finale. What is this?
Bakda.
Meron ito magdo?
Yeah.
Dito magdo? Sorry,
Yeah.
dito magdo. Unsa ni siya? One piece burger steak o
And 2 cheeseburger.
2 cheeseburger. Yay! Thank you. Okay na to.
Yes, sir.
Nag-challenge magod mi kung unsay gi-order ba sa tubangan among orderon. Yes! I say hi to the vlog.
Hi, thank you, sir. See us again.
Yes! We have 1 piece burger steak and 2 cheeseburger.
My
Alright.
favorite French fries.
So far, alright, 4 drinks. So we have 4. Wait, sorry. Put it there sa mga mayabon ang mga iced tea. The other one. Open it. My mommy, if you're watching this vlog, sorry. It's your fault. It's your fault. It's your fault. You left your wallet.
Hala, daddy.
Ay, stoy. Put it there. Huy. Put it there. Dili mayabo dali. Kay mayabo ni. Look at the sky. Oh my God, Lord. Good Lord, dag-um ni. Supposed to be longer day matanaron pero tanawang, oh my God.
You left your wallet inside. And then we're having a challenge.
It's Ella's idea.
Yes, Ella's idea. So, baby or something.
Ay, nakoy challenge man god. Pila amount sa nag-una sa ko ang gi-order before sa ko. Pila around more, ay 69 ra.
Wow.
Kung siya yung gi-order times 3. Exactly.
What happens if it's coffee?
I don't know. It's just 69.
French fries.
No.
Fries is 69.
No. Akong palito mo siya yung gi-order na to times 3 mo akong orderon.
Bale, iyang gi-order.
I-surprise para ma-surprise lang ko dito sa week. Muna mong challenge sa among YouTube channel. So kung unsa iyang gi-order times 3 sa akong may times, so exactly iyang gi-order.
Iyang gi-order, sir.
Oh, secret ron.
Okay.
I-surprise lang ko basta kay kuan maka di maka more than 1,000. Ten taran.
I want a fast flavor if it's coffee.
Surprise. I think it's a meal because there's a spoon and fork.
Chicken nuggets?
So, unsa ang order? Unsa ni siya? 1 piece mushroom pepper steak. Alright, 3 mushroom pepper steak, chuva earth, no drinks at all. So your challenge, should we eat it?
Pepper steak? I like steak with pepper.
With pepper.
And it's already raining. And traffic. Pasulod ko sa Kubon Market. Good luck to me.